Hello and welcome to Guide Glimpse. So here in this video I will teach you how you can set up your Outlook account and how you can use that. First you have to go to your App Store, and in the App Store you have to search for Outlook. And from here you have to install your Outlook. Mine is already installed, so I will just go and I will open that. So here for starting you have to click on this add account. Here you can also create new account, so I will just go and click on add account. Here you can add your account email address that you want to use. Here you can also add any personal or work email. I will just go with a personal one. Click on add account. Here you can just give the permissions and you can click on continue here. Here you can see all the emails. Here you have this focus and other options. This is how the Outlook look. Our account has been created. Now here I will show you all the features. Here you have this email, this calendar, and you can use that for adding reminders. And here when you will click on the top, here you can see this notification option, and when you will click on that, here you can see your new notifications. And you also have research bar where you can research for different things. For example, if you research Google, now you can see all the Google emails. And here you can see the draft, and here you can see the archive. And this is the thing, the archive. Let me go add something. Just you have to swipe your email and your email has been added to archive. Now in the archive you can see your email, and that's how easy it is. And here we have this send where you can see all the emails that you have sent. So here you can see that. And similarly here you have this delete where you can see all the delete emails. So let me go and show you how you can delete. So just you can swipe and you can delete, and here also you can select and you can delete. So now let's go and see in the trash. Here you can see that our deleted email has added here. And similarly here if you will select that, here you have this option where you can flag your email as well. Now you can see that our email has been flagged, so we will know that we have to answer to this email later on. Here now you can also see this unread where you can mark that read, and here you also have this move option. When you will click on this move option, here you can move that to inbox, archive, send, delete, chunks. Here you also have this archive option. You can select and you can archive from here, or you can swipe to archive. And similarly you can also delete it from here. And similarly here you can see the junk where you have added one email. You can see our email has appeared here. And you can also see the email in delete that we have deleted recently. And here you also have this filter option where you can filter that on the basis of unread or flag. Now you can see that we have applied the flag filter, and you can see the flag email. And similarly here you can also go and you can apply the filter of unread, pinned to me. For attachments and mentions you can simply do that by clicking. And now from here you can move to calendars, and in the calendar you can set a reminder. For that you have to select the title, number of peoples, location, time zone. You can provide all details and you can set the reminder for your emails. That's how simple and easy it is. And here you have these apps where you can see the files, contact and all app. Here you can attach any file from your files or folder, and here you can see this contact where you can add new contacts by simply providing all this information, and you can add your contacts here. And here you also have all apps where you can see more about these apps. Now if we talk about how you can create an email, for that simply click on this edit option in the bottom, and now here in the two you can write the person to which you want to send the email. Here you can write the email of the person, and then you can write the subject, and after writing the subject you can start writing your email. Once your email is done, you can also attach here many files. You can see here this file option. You can add files here from the folders. And here you also have this camera option where you can add pictures directly from your camera. And similarly here you can also see this mark. When you will click on that, here you can see the importance. You can select here normal, high or low. When you will select here high, you can see that a red exclamatory mark has appeared next to your subject. That shows that this is important email. And when you will convert that to normal, there is no sign, you can see that. But when you will go and you will do for low, you can see a downward arrow appear there. And once the email is done, you can send that. And that was all about how you can set up your Outlook account and how you can use that. If you find this video useful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.